Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are putting a NRG steering wheel, hub, and quick release on a 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Now the very first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal. Right here is the only time you will be using a 17mm socket. For the rest of this project, it will be a 10mm and a Phillips screwdriver. Here you can see him popping off the plastic pieces to get to the other bolts and screws. So this is pretty much when we realized that the horn was not working despite hooking it up per the instructions. So we decided to get the spacer that came with the hub and cut it in half. He's taking the wire from the original hub and using that with the piece that was cut out from the spacer, and also putting a screw right there. You don't have to use the spacer, we just had it handy because it came with the hub. As long as you have a piece of metal that will connect and touch this piece right here on the short hub.
Voila.
So after confirming that the horn works, Christopher is putting everything back together. So while he's holding the steering wheel, I am hooking up the wires from the hub to the horn. My steering wheel did not come with the screws, so we found these at Lowe's, and they were 98 cents for a 2-pack. So we ended up saving a good bit of money, and I honestly like them. You really can't tell the difference. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you'd like to keep up with all of the projects I do with my 99 Eclipse, go ahead and hit the subscribe button or give me a follow on Instagram. It's Eclipse_NV. Thanks for watching.